Now changing plan for your Airtel Digital TV account is extremely easy and can be done via the Airtel Thanks app.
Open the Airtel Thanks app. On the Manage Home section, tap on the Services card on the top.
Tap on your Digital TV account. Now on the plan card, click on Manage Pack.
Here, you can view all the available plans and select the one that suits your preferences.
If you wish to choose combo channels of a particular broadcaster, language or video resolution, select bouquets and top-ups. Here you can check out the available options and tap on the pack that you wish to add.
If you wish to enjoy an individual channel not covered in your base pack, you can get it via the a la carte pack. Select a la carte card to expand the options below and choose your preferences from the categories.
You can choose any VAS too by tapping on the Value Added Service card and choosing from the available options. Select Review to proceed.
Review all the changes and tap on Confirm. Your request will be processed and your plan will be updated. Post plan change confirmation, you will receive an SMS for the same.
Facing issues in changing your digital TV plan?
Get immediate assistance by tapping on the Help option on the home screen and clicking on Chat now. Airtel cares. We are here to help.